こんにちは、it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make Tamago Sando. Tamago Sando is a very popular egg salad sandwich that many people have tried while traveling in Japan. Some of you may refer to it as a 7-Eleven egg salad sandwich, but in actuality, Tamago Sando is a very common sandwich for those of us who grew up in Japan. What is the difference between the Japanese and American egg salad? Japanese egg salad is always made with Japanese mayonnaise, and it has a unique sweet tangy flavor. The bread plays an important role in Japanese sandwich. This type of bread is called Shokupan, and it's basically a Japanese pullman loaf. I'll share the recipe one day, but you can easily find this kind of bread in Asian grocery stores and bakeries. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Sando. It means sandwich in Japanese. Egg salad sandwich is Tamago Sando. Pork or chicken cutlet sandwich is Katsu Sando. Tuna salad sandwich is Tsuna Sando. However, we never say sando as sandwich by itself. Tamago Sando. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!